So I'm going to show you the problem with the LG UP970 4K Blu-ray player. So this is what I've just received today, and I've got Spider-Man Homecoming and put inside. I've just tried Blade Runner 2049, and I've noticed something quite odd. I've read reviews online about there being a buzzing noise from the player, and I can see why a lot of them have been returned. But I've just installed this, put it in for the first time, and I got to see it for myself. So what we're going to do is, no further ado, the screen is blank. So what we're going to do is we're going to close the drawer. A little bit of a buzz. It's thinking about it. Oh, there it is. Yikes. Now, I'm going to mute the TV. So YouTube doesn't sting me with the copyright nonsense. Oh my, that is loud. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to play the movie from the beginning, and then I'm going to show you something interesting that I noticed. So it's obviously got to do with the laser. The laser moves from the outside to the inside, so the inside to the outside, or either or, of the disc. And what happens is obviously the disc has to spin faster for the laser, or depending on where the laser is. So I'm just going to play the movie, and you notice very loud, very buzzing noise. But then watch what happens when I skip a couple of scenes. So, oh, the driver's starting to go quiet, and then again, oh, and then again, and then by 36 minutes into the movie, it's whisper quiet. Now, if I fast forward through the movie, scene by scene, towards the end, where presumably the data for the disc is, oh, getting loud, louder. Oh, there you go. Wow. So it definitely is a problem with the disc spinning. Now, I don't know if this is something that can be rectified by putting foam padding into the... I've read some people online are putting some foam padding in it. And that seems to stop the buzzing, or loosening some of the screws that attaches the drive to the actual inside of the device, inside the machine itself, the player. I'm not sure if that's actually going to solve it. Now, I'm not sure if I want to avoid the warranty just yet, or send this back to Amazon. Not Amazon's fault, this is unfortunately LG's fault, although I am an LG fanboy because I have got one of their lovely TVs, which I'm finding very, very lovely. PlayStation, I have tested it without the PlayStation on top of it, so it's not the PlayStation's fault. It's just the PlayStation's there because the wife won't let me put it on the floor for the moment. So yeah, strange. But again, watch this. If I go back a couple of scenes, let's go to the middle of the movie. Whisper quiet. Beautiful. You can hear the sultry sounds of my voice. But say I want to go back to the beginning of the movie. Ramping up even more. Oh, all the way to that beginning logo. A film by Peter Parker. Yikes. Yikes. Not Spider-Man Homecoming's fault. Not Sony's fault, who made the movie. Not LG, not Amazon's fault, sent me the player. LG's fault. And this is a shame, because this is one of the only Dolby Vision capable 4K players out on the market at the moment. So kind of upsetting. I might have to go with the Oppo UPB or UBP or whatever 203, which is the only other 4K player that you can buy right now that has Dolby Vision. There is a Sony one coming out, the X700, but the Dolby Vision update's not till summer. So if I want to watch Spider-Man Homecoming in full Dolby Vision, or the Star Wars The Last Jedi, which came out today, in full Dolby Vision, I will have to buy... I'll have to put up with this. Ridiculous. Or buy myself an Oppo 203, which is 3 times the price. And I might have to, because no one can live with this. Thank you very much for watching.